Mabuhay! I am Mars and this is Lorden.
So for today's video guys, we're going to have our farm tour.
Yes, we're going to explore the different parts of our farm. So what are you waiting for? Hi guys, welcome to Agusipan 4-H Club Plant Nursery. So Manang Tips will give us a short plant nursery tour.
And we also have
Vegetables.
Vegetables like tomatoes and
Pichay.
And we also try to plant, this one is called sayote. So this one is pomegranate if I'm not mistaken. That one is guava.
So guys, now I am here at Agusipan 4-H Lab Cacao Seedlings area. So the purpose of these cacao seedlings is for our future planting activities and also for grafting. For our next destination, pupunta po tayo sa ating mushroom house. So kasama ko po ngayon si Mr. Joshua Aaron, ang in charge ng mushroom production area ng Agusipan 4-H Club. So, Joshua, kailan po kayo nag-umpisang magkaroon at mag-put up ng ganitong klaseng gawain dito?
So, nagkaroon po at nagsimula po ito noong last year, nang tinandakin ng Andy Carmen ang training sa mushroom ng dinuhan po ng 4-H Club members.
Pupunta naman po tayo ngayon sa ating 4-H Club Communal Garden. Mayroon po lang po ba ang nalagaan ng garden?
Hindi, may tuya pa kami nga, may nalagaan ang daan naman nga garden.
So, base sa sinabi na mayo kanina, so meron po sila ditong mga talong at iba pang klase ng mga herbs. Meron silang basil, meron silang chili, meron silang mga kamatis at iba pang mga tanim na dito ngayon. So, as of now, hindi pa po na replacean ang mga tanim dito dahil sa pag-ulan at dahil na rin sa pandemya.
Now we're going to Agusipan 4-H Club Manukan.
Hi, welcome to Agusipan 4-H Club, Manukan. And this project was established last year. And we have only 4 chickens from Agusipan 4-H Club members. And, charan! Dumami na siya, guys. So guys, tuturuan ko pa kayo kung paano humabol ng manok. Huli na kita, baby!
Hi guys, so Agusipan 4-H Club has 5 continuously projects, namely the plant nursery, garden, manukan, mushroom production, and rainwater harvesting.
So since the projects of Agusipan 4-H Club is at the center of the barangay, it serves as a learning site for other youth, and it also supports the feeding program of the barangay. It also supports the local farmers. For example, our plant nursery provides them seedlings for their backyard gardens, and we also use the rice straws from their farms. So it creates a greater impact and a ripple effect to other youth. Now, most of the youth in Barangay Agusipan has their own backyard gardens.
That's all for today.
Don't forget to learn by doing.
Like
and share. Bye!